Hey GlamFam, it's the GlamFam here. It's Alison Jenkins, and it's myself, Linwood, and we're missing one, but she left her mess in the back seat just for y'all to see. And then of course we got Zelina. Anyway, so today's mission is to find Alison a wig. I wanted to go ahead and film this because I know a lot of people ask about like how do you select wigs, how do you go ahead and do like these different things, how do you know if a color looks good on you, all of that. And especially if you don't want to shop for a wig online, I wanted to share with you guys if they'll let us film in the store because it can be a little problematic sometimes.
Sometimes they be having the wrong people working there. I think y'all know about that.
Okay, we're not, okay.
You can only try on 2 wigs. But I like you, so you can try on 3 wigs.
Most of the time, they'll tell you can only try on a certain amount, but if you're pleasant and not hood and you don't seem like you're trying to try on every wig in the store, usually they'll go ahead and allow you to try on more. But here's how you do it. You want to go in, you're gonna tell them, hey, I'd like to try on some wigs. Is that possible? Most stores that sell wigs will just allow you to purchase a stocking cap, and then from there you're able to try it on and all that type of stuff.
But I live in one.
Yeah, so they're probably still gonna make her purchase a stocking
they
cap
are.
because they don't know where that stocking cap has been. If Alison tries on a selection of wigs, maybe we'll have you guys vote on which ones you think look cutest on her. Keep in mind, when you go to a wig store, while the wig may have potential, everybody and their mama has had their fingers in it, so especially if it's a curly wig, it's going to look a certain degree of busted because everybody and their mama feels like they can just do like this to curly hair, and you can't do that. Okay, so side note, we're on our way there, but we wanted to show you this spot over here. Where's it at? All right, where is it? There's a place back here called, look, Nails Long. Can we please, can we just name our businesses stuff that makes sense? Nails Long, can we name it Long Nails? That's all I want. Can we make it more than one nail? Like,
beautiful nails.
Yes, but the thing is, it would say beautiful nail. Like you only get one.
Only
just
get
one.
Gorgeous nail. Let's talk about that place.
The place in town, okay Nail.
Okay, I don't want okay. I'm paying you $30 to be in there an hour, for you to get this wrong, for you not to know how to talk to me, for okay nails.
Yes.
So I'm not gonna do it.
Like the sad thing is they stay busy. See, I'm not trying to go to a place, okay hair. Like what?
I want some bomb, fabulous,
I don't understand.
sexy, silky hair.
So yeah, we're about to go inside. And hopefully we'll be able to make this work. Make it work. Like Tim Gunn. Shouts out to Tim Gunn. I miss watching that show back when I watched TV. Anyway. Okay, so we're in the store. We're heading to the wig section. And yeah, there's a lot of wigs to select from. Now, of course, your local beauty supply store is going to have different options, things like that, based on whatever's going on. So we've, like, literally, look at this. Look at this. Like, it's amazing. So, if you are, there's like, I feel like we're in New York every time we come here because they have such an amazing selection. Like, it's literally wonderful. So if you are looking for wigs, it's important to just go to a store that has selection, and that way you can select. If you look, you a grandma, you got grandma wigs. If you sexy, you got sexy wigs. If you bougie, hold on, there's some bougie wigs somewhere, hold on. Oh, you got bougie wigs. I mean, it's just, you know, you've got options. If you got dusty hair, boom, dusty options. When you come and you're trying to select a wig, go somewhere that's gonna have options for you, because then you've actually got a way to be able to see, okay, is this something that I want to do? Do I want to do like a half wig, like something like this? This is what I was talking to you guys about. Whenever you're looking at wigs in the store, be mindful that it's not going to be like this when you get out of the pack. Everybody and their mama has drugged their fingers through this. So notice how it looks on the thing here. Darn it, there we go. You can kind of see how it looks smoother on the little sticker thing there. Usually when you get them out the pack, they need some manipulation. When they've been out like this, they've had entirely too much manipulation. But nonetheless, like, look at this. This is cute. Who is this by? Invisilace lace front wig. It's LPW 140, and the color is incorrect, but that's cute. I don't like the scalp piece though, but it's still cute. U-part wigs, look at that. You can purchase them that way. They've got kinky straight wigs that look blown out. All of these are synthetic so far, by the way. They do have a human hair section, but you know, this way you can at least have some selection. Okay, so don't say I didn't help you out here. Look here. These are the ones where you can sew them down. So like basically it comes with like the mesh netting on here, so you can sew these down. And that way it's kind of like a sew-in without the work of a sew-in. So if you can't afford one or you have scalp issues, it gives you excellent selection. Okay, so what are we looking at, Alison?
I don't know. It's so hard because they've been through it. They have been through it. So it's hard to say, okay, what this looked like before.
Yeah, like that one right there. Like it's like, oh my gosh, fool, Diana Ross. And you pull it out the box, it's probably 2 curls. Everybody and their mama, I'm sure, has messed with that. Here's what you do. A lot of times, like, show them the back of that one if you don't mind. See the curls in the back? Like, there we go. That is what that whole wig probably looked like before everybody and their mama touched it. So if you're wondering, and it's looking like, for instance, like that one, I guarantee you that didn't look like that when they had it. So you just, you know, part it out and find the section in the back that you're looking for, and then you're good to go.
I'm leaning towards more of this because, you know, I like to just throw it on. I'm running late for work. That's what I like. So this looks like a throw-on. You know, you just.
Yeah, that one has so much potential. I like that one, the berry curly. What's this? I don't know about this one yet.
Yeah, I know.
It feels like you can put it on, and once you like made it your own, I think it would be cute.
It's not cut right for me, really, and I feel like I would be trying to make it big like this one easily is made. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And to me, get up.
Me Nolly.
Get up. Don't pick that up off the floor.
That's icky. You want to wait? That attitude.
130, you know, I usually go for the jet black to stay safe with whatever I'm wearing.
The bland.
You know, because if I'm wearing a purple wig, I don't want to be seen with all purple on, like, oh.
You don't even wear all purple.
Who knows?
I'm
I may
liking the
have a
scalp
day.
piece it is. Now, this is the thing that gets me. This is why I love that they have wigs out and you can kind of mess with them, because you look at the pictures on some of these and it's like, girl, who wants that? Like, she don't even look happy. Like, I look like a dog. But then when you look at it here, it's like, oh, wait, there's potential. Hold on. Serving me Tyra. Yes, Tyra Slay. Look at that. Yes. Okay, anyway. Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, it is pretty, huh?
Yeah,
It's
I
been
like the color. That's nice.
It's been fingered
Yeah, I mean, you know, it is what it is.
too much.
Everybody and mama has touched on it. Yes, Zelina.
Yes.
I don't think anyone's ever heard her talk. Girl, we gotta work on your selection. You gonna select the most yellow wig up in this piece? It looks like Xandra Rapunzel wig. I don't know.
Maybe that's what she wanted. Yeah, but that's really pretty though.
Oh, it's a bob shape too. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Why does it look longer on one side? What's
Hold
going
on.
on?
No. I don't know what's going on, but don't.
No, that's a bit much.
Yeah, you're right. It is. Maybe it's on here, so wait.
Oh,
That's why.
nice. You know, this is a good-looking blonde wig, and look, it
Because
has like
somebody
a
tried to make it
texture at the
look
roots.
like a soft wig. Stop. Don't do it.
I like that. So this one has like that natural texture of the wig, the roots. I wish that it was slightly darker in there, but that's a pretty cute one.
We need to do something about all that.
It's
too
got
much.
potential. She has potential. Girl, serve me Tyra on a wet day, but still. Okay. I don't know. Like this one says, "I'm a Latina mom." I like the color variation though. Wait. I don't like the ones with the dark ends. It just looks like a grown out bad color job. We could be in the store, like literally, we're in the store like all day when we do this stuff. Oh, look.
Go back down here.
Look at potential. Ew. Not potential, okay? Oh, the lace on this one. Like, see, look. Flexible lace. That's amazing. Now, then you've got other ones like this one here, like very stiff, hard lace. This will cut you if you do it wrong. So selecting them, you want to pay attention to stuff like that. This is the type of stuff, like, look at the difference. Soft lace, hard lace. I hope you guys can catch that on camera. That one's cute. It looks way more purple on camera, but it's like a plum type color. It's really cute.
I wouldn't wear that color, but they had it in.
Girl, your hair is
one.
almost that color right now.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. I don't understand, like, what's going on with this one? It's like this is like when you have 2 different packs of hair and you can make it to stylist, but you got to the kitchen beautician, so you got your curly body wave on top and your straight all in one pack here underneath. Like, I'm not feeling that at all. Not at all. Maybe. Options. Zelena, your hair looks like that wig.
Mommy.
Oh, the wig's for your mommy?
Oh, the leggings? Yes, I agree.
Yeah. Do you have to say ew about the leggings all the way across the store? Okay, y'all, so we got 3 wigs. So there's this one here, and this one that Allison is presently trying on. So, yeah, this is the first.
Could be Shaka Khan for real hell.
That was nice and cool. What's the name of that one? Oh, that's a red carpet one?
It's Jordan.
Okay, so that one is Jordan with red carpet. So you guys vote down below if you love Jordan. You feel like she's amazing. What are you thinking, Alison?
I like that. I don't think I can wear it to work because you know I wear that headpiece, headset.
Oh yeah, the Janet Jackson control headset.
Yeah.
I feel like the part line would need to be tweezed a bit, and like maybe a little bit of foundation or concealer in that part. But I think that when she's brand new, she would look better because right now she's really busy. So putting out number 2. I like the texture of this one. It looks like blown out natural hair.
And this is
Alisa?
that's cute. You gotta share.
That is really cute.
It's kind of like
Yeah, I like that. It looks natural in terms of texture. I don't know. So far, my vote is going to go for Alisa. Now, keep in mind, you guys, when you're looking at these wigs, you can usually get them in several different colors and things like that. But yeah, Alisa is serving me tons of natural realness. I like it. What do you think, Alison?
Yeah, I like it. I think I would bet more on that.
Okay, so last minute lineup change. She is now the water boy. And this one here will be the next one that Allison tries on. So, and the pattern is nice, but you see guys, you can get like several different color options, things like that. So it's nice to have some selection.
I like it.
I like this curl pattern. I'm telling you, I'm feeling the texture.
My church hat, y'all.
And Mother's Day with your church hat.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't know what this one's name is, but she's in the brown sugar collection. So if you guys are feeling her, then just write brown sugar down in the comments. What do you think, Alison?
I'm very twisted about which one is more like it. I feel like I want this one or the other one. I wonder what my husband's gonna say.
Out of those 2, my vote is still for Eliza. I think that's her name. I forgot that quick. But I don't know. I like the color on this one, but I like the curl on the other one. What do y'all think, GlamFam? This part line is seriously deep. It goes back to your soul.
I think I should get both. I think I should just go ahead and get both.
Whatever you like, boo. Whatever you like. It's a tax write-off. Okay, so possible new addition to the lineup. I think Allison should try on that one. It's so big. Now, look, you guys. Now, this is gonna vary based on your beauty supply store. So, like here, these are all the human hair ones, which are rightfully behind glass, because people steal at beauty supply stores a whole lot. But these are $5 a piece to try on, which I honestly think is really wise on their part, because if you can't pay $5 to try it on, and you're not willing to pay for the price of a human hair wig anyway, let's be real. Well, I don't know if it's $5 a piece to try on. It's just $5. Okay, let me show you guys. This one here is human, but the lace is really rough. So just because it's human, don't think that it's amazing. The texture of the hair might be nice, but this lace will cut you. So you want to look for the ones where they've got like the lace that's a bit more like this, really flexible, soft. It does not cut the skin if you adjust, okay? I hope this video has been really helpful. This is very different for us, but oh, I like the color of this one. Why didn't we see that before? That's nice. There's so many options in here, and it's late at night, y'all. So I know they're probably like, "Can y'all go?"
Yeah.
You can go. That one's so silky. It's like Barbie hair, though. I don't know.
Sometimes that's what you want. You want it to be silky. but
There's a
not
difference
to look
between
like plastic.
silky and Barbie. She's Barbie. Like at first she serves silky, but then she serves I'm beyond Asian silky. Their wigs have probably been purchased. Hold on. I'm not trying to pay for a new mannequin. You can leave her be. Thank you. Thank you. The end.
She's trying to line them up. They gotta get in line. They gotta go outside.
This is only her for y'all. Like she's always wanted to be like, these have to be organized. She's like that with her shoes too. Why couldn't you just really?
Because she belongs at this end. She don't belong on that end.
Is it just me or do all of these mannequins look stuck up? I can't. Anyway, Glam Fam. So it looks like Eliza won out, but Eliza won out by default. We were gonna get Eliza and the other one, the one that was like red with the wave or whatever. However, she was brand new and old girl was in the back for 22 years and they were about to close and she was like, I can't find her. So we were like, okay, well you've been back there looking for a good minute, so you know, we're like, that's okay. But Eliza, you got her in what, a 1?
Yes, because that's safe for me right now.
For those who don't know, a number 1 is black. Now for the cosmetology.
Stop black and not proud. Stop black and not proud.
Anyway, she blazing. So anyway, long story short, don't think that the numbers on the weave are the same as the numbers for hair color. It's a very bad mistake if you're
gonna
ordering
find
online.
that 613 like that.
You won't, and there's not a 613 hair color. That is like that's usually an ultra light blonde or whatever. Honestly, let me be real. They don't make hair color like that. You have to bleach your hair professionally and then tone it to get anywhere near that. Notice, professionally. Okay, so let us know what you guys thought of this video. It's very different for us, but I did enjoy taking you along because I feel like there's so much that we got to cover on this, just having the selection and variety of wigs that we don't typically get to cover on wig videos. So Alison, you want to sign us out?
Yes, so as you notice, I'm very proud that I was able to take my wig off and still have my weave looking like, oh, okay.
Yeah. And pop it back on without it being, you know, adhered.
Mangled. Yeah, so it's not like glued down, gelled down, nothing like that. So I'm happy I can try on wigs and keep moving on with my life. So anyway,
until next time, you guys, take care, God bless, stay glam, and you know we love you, boo. Bye bye.